So I wrote something the other night, but I guess you just have to hear it. Well, not really. Turn the video off if you don't want to hear my horribleness. Okay? Instrumental is XXXO remix by MIA featuring Jay-Z. I love this song. Please don't make fun of me. Okay. XXXO, I don't fuck with hoes. Grown ass folks putting on shows with facades and fancy cars. Lies from the lots, helter skelter chaos. Bitches come to me like, hey boss, especially back in Tejas. Respect for my girls, but can you blame me? Chasing in semi, waiting, checking out Justina, hotter than some Latinas. What's good, Selena? Don't need a bow, they don't need to know. My spare time, my fucking business. You imagine lists, counting games in your head. Get a grip. R.I.P. we killed it. Brutally wounded, gone and dead. The situation's all in your head. These fantasies live through messing around. Guys be the biggest clowns. Frowns and sex. I run this chomping down T-Rex. Cannibal Juliet's born and nothing's left. Opinions that I'm more or less. I'm fine, no more or less. Any chances that matter are taken by other men. Feeling impulsive, let's get lit. One night stands are bullshit, fling it her way. If you're worth it, jump in the fray, yeah right. Some other day, in another dimension, during lonely intermission. The best you ever had is my invention. Congrats on a glimpse of insight. She means everything, so I let her insight. Initial lies, promises of truth, and nobody has a clue. My brain's process jumps, races. Recognize a nigga with two faces. Same for the ladies with the laces. Did y'all ever grow up? Fuck, at least I'm honest. Modesty's not even a cover-up.